This video, we will see how to configure dynamic values for date parameters of BA publisher data models in BA Connector. So first, this is my data model here. It's named orders and it has a data set called orders. And it has two date parameters. But for this example, we'll take this order to date, which is labeled ordered till. So let's go to the BA Connector application. So I have already created a DSM connection for this instance. And then here in the tables, I'm going to create the table. Let's say Berlin orders till today. The value of today keeps changing every day. So we'll see how to set it up dynamically now. I'm selecting the data source from the drop down or the data Oracle data models. Next, select data set. Under the whitelisted folder, I'm seeing the orders data model here and selecting it. I'm also seeing the orders table, the data set here, as we saw in the Oracle Analytics instance. Next, configure parameters. So we are seeing all the parameters that are listed. Let's say for shipping city, I'll just give a value like Berlin. Yeah. And then the order till date, I can give a list of options. So if I want to give a fixed date, I can just select the fixed date here, and then I can select the date. And even if it is a date time, I can also include the time here, and I click OK. If it is, let's say today, the value of today, it shows a message saying the value for today will automatically change every day. If you click OK, the value today would be populated here. And there are a couple of other options as well for you to set it up dynamically, like yesterday. So the yesterday's value would automatically get popped on every day. And then if it is last 5 days or last 1 year or last 28 days, you can always have this option. Last, let's say 365 days, I click OK. And then even the next 365 days or next X days, you can choose this. So this is how you can configure the dynamic values for date-based parameters in BA connector tables for your Oracle BA Publisher data model connections. Thank you.